Anxiety is like fog, making people stagger and depressed. However, in the depths of this fog, maybe there is a road to the light? In the low tide of life, there is no need to resist pain, but to see the truth of it with compassion and wisdom. Through the obstacles of anxiety, towards liberation and spiritual freedom. Anxiety is like a chain of oppression, confining us in fear of the future and remorse for the past. However, just as the morning light cuts through the night sky, the heart also has infinite possibilities to dispel the fog. The root of suffering lies in persistence and ignorance, while the way of relief lies in a clear understanding of one's own heart. In every anxiety, try to ask yourself, is this the truth or an illusion? When you look directly at the nature of anxiety, it loses the power to hurt you. In the whirlpool of anxiety, we often feel isolated. However, compassion is like the boat of life, which can overcome every obstacle. Try to look at yourself with compassion, accept your imperfection, and allow your fragile existence. When you learn to treat your inner pain gently, anxiety will no longer be the enemy, but become an opportunity for you to grow. Anxiety is like a shadow, chasing every breath, disturbing the calm lake into waves. You once tried to escape from it, but found that your steps were sinking deeper and deeper. But stop, stand on the other side of your heart and see where the shadow comes from. It's not all of you, it's just a cloud in your heart. When you learn to stay, light will emerge from the depths of your heart. In the depths of darkness, you feel lonely, but the starry sky is not far away. Light a lamp for yourself with mercy, warm the trembling soul. Every reconciliation with yourself is a rebirth of the soul. Let the light of love illuminate the unknown future. The root of anxiety is that we escape from the present moment. The present is the reality, and the fear of the future and the regret of the past are all illusions born from the mind. Try to take a deep breath and feel the flow of breathing. It is the truth of life. In every breath, you can find peace and no longer be pushed by the waves of anxiety. The dilemma of anxiety is not inexplicable. The wisdom of Buddhism is like a pair of invisible wings, helping us fly over the high wall of our hearts. When you learn to look at pain with wisdom, it will turn into the soil for growth. Every anxious experience, they are all teaching you the resilience and hope of life. To love yourself is not wayward, but to accept. In anxiety, the tight heartstrings need gentle comfort. Compassion begins in the heart, giving yourself a loving look, just like the breeze blows through the summer night, gently taking away the troubles and sorrows. Every time you embrace yourself, it is the power of love that awakens you from the fog. Anxiety is like water. If we resist, it will surge into waves. If we accept, it will return to calm. At every moment of life, choose not to fight anxiety, but to coexist with it. You will find that calmness is an ability. It is as deep as a deep pool, so that the soul can live summary, regain inner freedom. Anxiety is not an enemy. It is a signal to remind us to stop. Through the wisdom of Buddhism, we learn to let go of persistence, accept ourselves, and overcome difficulties with compassion and insight. Every conversation with the heart is a journey of healing, taking us to true freedom and peace.